you, IBPC. Before I just get into my company's products or what we do, my background is that of a banker. I came here in 1993 and having worked in India with a bank, with HSBC. And then for the first 17 years of my life here, I worked at a bank. Then in 2010 or so, I decided to start my business for two reasons. One is I realized that being a banker and sitting on the other side of the fence, of the table, is you very often don't see things from a businessman's point of view, despite trying very hard. The other thing is, I saw from the customer's point of view, from the borrower's point of view, that they don't often see things the way bankers do, and they don't know how to deal with banks. So there's a great deal of fear on the side of people who borrow from banks, companies, corporates, SMEs who borrow from banks. And on the other side, there's also a great deal of uncertainty with the banks as to how to deal with these customers, because they don't know who to trust and who not to trust. So I thought to bridge the gap here, and I thought there'd be a gap here for companies who want to work with a good advisor to help them with various things in helping their company grow or helping their company get out of trouble. So I started this company. Now we are a team of 6 in JLT in 2010. What we do is we are financial advisory specialists. We focus on working with companies of whatever size. So we worked with companies of 1 billion dirhams. We worked with companies of 20 million dirhams in size, in helping them on balance sheet structuring and how to make themselves more bankable. So our primary services are basically 3. One is we help companies restructure their bank debt now. And this has come up, this first on my slide, on the blue. We help restructure, companies go to banks and restructure their liabilities if they're in trouble. This business I started this business a couple of years ago in response to the 2015 and 16 crisis, which resulted in a lot of debts being, companies coming under stress. The second thing we do is arrangement of bank finance for companies. We raise them from here, we raise them from funds overseas, we raise them from DIFC banks, and any other lender, even from funds in London or in Hong Kong. We work with companies primarily for them to deal with their balance sheet issues and to structure themselves so that they become more bankable and to help them raise debt. The last point that we do is we also offer CFO services. We have a qualified CFO with us, who's a chartered accountant, to companies who cannot afford a full-time CFO. One thing which I've not mentioned here but is relevant is that we also are the only company which does due diligence work for banks. 6 banks are my customers. And it's relevant because this gives us very high-level contacts with risk department and various other departments and banks, and we are recognized vendors for 6 banks. So this buys us a lot of credibility when we deal with banks. So over the years, we've arranged over 1.5 billion of bank finance for companies. We've restructured debts for over 1.3 billion, and we are recognized by all the banks in the UAE. We have done some large restructurings of close to 900 million dirhams for one particular client also, and numerous other kinds of transactions. Banks, actually, we work on the recommendation of banks. Banks come to us and tell us they want us to work with a certain client. But we are open to our clients, of course, and we welcome the opportunity to help any of you either raising finance or restructuring your bank debt if the need be, especially during these current times when people are afraid to go to banks. We are a good buffer in between. Thank you very much.